In order to enable camera effects into your WhatsApp, you just simply have to open the WhatsApp application, and after going into WhatsApp application, you will just simply have to tap into these three dots into the top right corner. Simply tap into three dots, then you will get to see this settings option. Tap into settings option to go to settings. Now after going into settings, you will get to see so many options. Among them, you just simply have to select this option of privacy. Tap into there, and after tapping into privacy, you just simply have to scroll down a bit. Then after scrolling down, you will get this option of allow camera effects. You just simply have to enable this toggle of allow camera effects in order to enable the camera effects. Simply do that, and after that tap to continue. Now after doing this very easy steps, you can easily allow camera effects into your WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.